Hi, everybody. This is Lance from Thetatraderz.com. I'm in outer space right now. Hard to get a little bit of oxygen, but I'm breathing, so I guess I'll survive. Anyway, this video, we're going to go over new strategy from previous live stream that we did with Jim at Easy Options. And we're going to look at the trade recommendation that he gave out. Now, it's a really good trade. It most likely will hit max profit. We're going to go over the trade alert and how you could possibly join this channel. Share my screen. So this was on Tuesday evening. Easy Options, who has a private Discord as well, he decided to do Iron Condor on earnings reports. Expires on Friday the 27th. So it's a buy 93.91 put debit spread and buy of 94.96 call credit spread. So by buying a debit spread, you want it to go below the low put. So we want MU to go either below the 91 strike or the call side, you want to go above call strike. So you want to go above the 96. Pull this in all in one order. This is a 2-width spread. So your max loss that you could have is $200 minus the credit, or sorry, the debit you paid for. So at this point, you said fill up or near 1.8. It's going to use $180 in debit per contract. And then if we go above 96 or below 91 by Friday at expiration, you can make $20 a contract. The $20 a contract divided by $180 that you need to take the trade is an 11.1% return. This only happens in a few days. So there's a chance for a pretty high percent gain on these trades. Sure, you see $20, like, no big deal. But you could easily do this with multiple contracts, depending on your account size. You look at MU, see his big gap up from Wednesday to today. On Wednesday, it closed at around 96. It was already moving up towards that 96 strike price before the earnings. Earnings came out good. We're up 14% today, and MU closed at 109.88. So we're quite a bit above that 96 strike price. As long as it stays above the 96 in the next day or so, then it'll be at max profit. You can make your 11% on your trade. So what I like about this service is he tells you exactly why he's taking the trade, gives the strike prices, very easy to read the order and how to follow it. I personally took this order. I filled it at 1.84, so a little bit higher than what he said. However, 184, 200 minus 184, $16. So I make $16 over 184, still make about 8.7%. This is a good return on one trade. Just imagine when you're doing these, you want to be doing many trades, not just putting all your eggs in one basket into one trade. So by doing this with many trades, you could diversify a bit. And he also goes over management. If in case it didn't work out, he'll explain exactly what he's going to do with the trade afterwards. So if you're interested in this service, I do recommend it. I have been taking quite a bit of his trades, not all of them, but most of them. You could join in the link in the description down below. We have a discount up until Sunday for 6-month or lifetime access. Again, Lance with Thetatraderz.com. If you have any questions on this, feel free to leave a comment in the descriptions down below, and I'll make sure that Jim also responds to it as well. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys on the next video.